Hi everybody, look who's here. Hello. That was so funny. Angie's taking me to London today for my birthday present, and we're just about to leave and I'm really excited, and I thought that George would do an outfit of the day because he loves doing outfits of the day, don't you, George? So, have you got me? Is that a yes? So, where do I start? I've curled my hair last night and pinned it up.
And it looks lovely.
And then this jacket I've had for absolute years, and I think it's from Primark originally. In fact, I'm sure it's from Primark, but I've had it for ages. This top is new, and I got this from H&M, and I thought it was really pretty. This bag is new, and this is from H&M as well, that I got yesterday, which was really good. Then my jeans are from Dorothy Perkins, and my trainers are from New Look. And there's Arthie. Arthie's sporting the fur look. You good boy. And now, you can start doing my filming of the day. Now we're going to go and get the bus and go to London. Yee. So we'll film little bits of our trip while we're there. Bye. Opening it.
Yeah. Do I have to do anything?
It's doing it. It's recording now. Ah, little kitties, they're so cute. Okay. Megan thought I was 26, by the way. Is your first clue to your destination is on the card. I have a suspicion. Okay, I have an inkling. So the only clue is in the name of a small orange. Are we going? I don't know the orange. I don't know about the orange. I can't guess that. But are we going to a cat cafe?
We're going to Lady Dinah's Emporium.
What's that?
That is the original cat cafe.
With cats in it?
Yes.
Angie, look! Look, here, look! Oh, let's go.
I'd like to come sit next to people.
Yeah, that's great. No, perfect. Gorgeous.
She's just turned 1, but she's really big for her age.
She's absolutely fabulous.
She's the same age as this small one over here. She's a biscuit.
It's interesting, isn't it, how they get into different sizes? And
Yeah, they've all got very different kind of characteristics as well. Doreen's more of a chillax kind of sitting next to people.
yeah.
Look at them all.
Yeah.
Panna cotta with mango and coconut. Hazelnut cake, raspberry tart, rhubarb cake, brownie with cream,
Fabulous.
lemon cake, the scones.
Fantastic.
Here we have orange marmalade
Fabulous.
and rose petal jelly.
Oh, fantastic. That's fantastic.
Very,
Thank
very
you.
nice.